What is self love? Does it mean you're selfish? No. It actually means that you care about your interests, your likes and dislikes, and also you are occupied in doing things that keeps you happy. And you know what? When you learn to love yourself, you are actually making yourself equipped to manage any situation with ease. So, does it mean that self love helps in gaining self confidence? And the answer is yes. It means you have trust in yourself and you stand by your choice. And also, it's like you're doing it not to impress others but for your own satisfaction. हमारी सोसाइटी ने बहुत ही स्टीरियोटाइप गाइडलाइंस बना रखे हैं, जैसे कि एक लड़की की 30 से 32 साल में शादी नहीं हुई तो ज़रूर उस लड़की में कोई कमी होगी, भले ही वो करियर में कितनी भी सेटल्ड क्यों ना हो। अगर किसी बंदे ने 24 से 25 साल में अपना करियर सेटल नहीं किया तो उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ होगी। अगर किसी माँ ने अपने 3 से 5 महीने के बच्चे को डे केयर में छोड़ दिया है अपने जॉब के लिए तो कैसी हार्टलेस माँ होगी। ऐसे कितने सारे जजमेंटल सोच हमने बना रखे हैं अपने आसपास। वाई डोंट वी लेट द पर्सन लिव देयर लाइफ ऑन देयर ओन? वाई डू वी विस्पर थिंग्स अबाउट देम? वाई डोंट वी माइंड आवर ओन बिजनेस? I believe the one who lives their life with their own terms must be living a very content and guilt free life. When I first got into contact with Jigna Upadhyay, I was pretty impressed with the kind of support I got from her for my work. After gradually talking to her more and seeing her post, I got so impressed with her that I couldn't resist myself from sharing her thought process, the way she lives her life. So let's open our mind and welcome her. Hi Jigna, કેમ છો?
Hi, Sunita. હું ઠીક છું. How about you?
મજામાં છું. Happy to see you. And
Happy to
it's
see
like
you
I
as
was
well.
talking to my audience about importance of loving yourself, and I said that Jigna is the perfect example of it. She lives her life like king size. So I would like to hear from you. I mean, your introduction in your words, your personal and professional life.
Sure. So I come from a typical conservative Gujarati family, born in Gujarat but brought up in Mumbai completely. I did my schooling and complete education from Mumbai. It's just been 2 years I've relocated to Ahmedabad. So that's about my family background. And professionally, it's been 16 years I'm into HR field. I'm an MBA HR. And it's been 6 years. I'm running my own recruitment firm, executive search firm, wherein we specialize in real estate and media hiring. So I have worked in both the side, consulting as well as corporate, and doing well by God grace.
Okay, that's great. So as I said that मैं कहती हूँ कि loving yourself is very important, और मैं ये भी कहती हूँ कि अगर तुम खुद खुश नहीं रखोगे, खुद को खुश नहीं रखोगे, तो प्यार और खुशियाँ बांटोगे कैसे? And as far as
Absolutely.
you're a perfect example of this. But we would like to hear from you that do you really follow this belief? How you deal with any misconceptions that come across? Because you must be facing many
Yes,
misconceptions
yes.
because of your strong steps that you take to stand strong. And
Right.
so yeah, over to you.
So let me start like this. I was also like I was also like rest of the world 7 years before, almost a decade before. I used to please people, though I was doing very well career wise, financially, touchwood, everything was fine. But somewhere I was into relationship and I had that fear of losing people. So that is why I used to compromise, sacrifice a lot. And I used to fall sick every month. My weight was almost 80,
That's
and
huge.
that's when I decided to take control of my life back. I have asked myself a couple of questions that what am I doing with your life? Where am I heading? I'm
Right.
30. Imagine if I'm falling sick every month. At the age
Right.
of 30, what is my future?
60. Yeah, right.
And that's where there are certain tough calls which I have taken, which I would not like to go back to the past and discuss. But today, whatever you're seeing me, I'm one renowned person. That is because of the kind of decisions I have taken in the past and the focus I have made my health and mental health, not only physical health, mental health a priority in the last 7 years. And
Agree to
that's
you.
where new Jigna Upadhyay is there in front of you.
We are loving this, Jigna. Seriously.
It's not an overnight process, Sumita. It takes time. It takes a lot of energy. You have to keep patience. Nothing happens overnight.
Right, and you need a lot of courage to come out of your shell and take tough decisions.
Absolutely, because you come across a lot of misconception, perception. People will judge you. They will judge you anyway. Whatever you do in your life, people are going to judge you. I have been called as a self-obsessed. I have been called as a self-centered during the process. But I have asked myself a question: who cares?
Right,
Are
and
these
if you're
people
not
running
harming
my world?
anybody, if you're
Yeah,
not
no,
harming
and I
anybody,
have asked myself a question: that are these people running my home? Were they
right,
there when I was going through the shit in my life? Were they ever asked me that what do I need, Jigna? What do
right.
you need?
And when
So what
you're actually low, does anybody comes and care that the way, I mean, should be taken care? So
absolutely.
that's why I say लोग तो कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
उनका काम है करना.
Don't care. सही सही
So
बात है.
that's about it. It's very important to love yourself, Sumita, because your body is your temple. You have to maintain it, because if you do not take care, no one else is going to do it for you. And same with mental health also. You have
Right.
to be strong. You have to take care. People will come and go.
Yeah.
We have come alone. We are going to go alone. They can be
Right.
part of your life. They cannot be your entire life. Is the funda I strongly believe in.
Very good. Very good insight for people to know. And you're doing
Yes.
extremely well in your career, taking care of your
Right.
household responsibilities like a man. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm again using that stereotype language, like a man. No, we should say she's managing home like a responsible person of the family. So you're not only taking responsibility, you're also enjoying life to the fullest. So what is the reason behind it and how you manage it?
See, I have had many responsibilities since the time I turned 16. Now, there were two options in front of me. Either you crib about it, either you be serious towards your life approach because you are bombarded with so many responsibilities, or you live with it, you have that work-life balance. And
The
also,
choice
I'm a
is yours.
Capricorn moon sign. Capricorns are otherwise also bombarded with a lot of responsibilities.
Okay.
So, but I have ensured that it does not affect my personal space and personal growth. Also, it should not affect my own personal life during the entire process. So, and I'm not someone who can plan for next 5, 10 years. I live in the moment. I believe in today. I don't
Good.
much think about the future. And that is the reason probably I'm able to enjoy to the fullest, because I've seen people in my life, they have planned a lot about the retirement. They did not enjoy the youth and they could not reach that stage.
True.
Tomorrow is not promised. We all need to accept the fact that tomorrow is not promised. Make the most of it today.
Definitely. You need to make a little plan, but not at the cost of, compromising too many things.
Of course,
Right.
of course, of course. So tomorrow, if I die, I do not want to go with any regret that I couldn't do this.
Wow.
Today, if I die tomorrow, I'm the happiest. I have lived my life.
That's the most content thing, that if I die today, I'll die happiest. I mean, one will really strive for it, that maybe ऐसा बोल सकूं. So it was really
Absolutely, you
very
have to
nice
work on
talking
it.
to you.
You have to work on. Everybody has to work on it, because nothing happens overnight. People also need to understand one thing very clearly, Sumita. If you are not happy or content within, you will not be able to love the opposite person wholeheartedly.
Completely agree. Right.
Okay, so be self-content only. I have seen people, they have good family, they are into beautiful relationship. In spite of being that, they feel lonely. Why?
Because
They are
there is
seeking.
something that they are not doing as per their choice, and they're not happy inside. So very
Yeah,
true. We've learned a lot from you, and I really hope I will also like to follow the same path, and would like my audience to understand this fact. And loving yourself is not being selfish. It's mean that
yeah,
you care for yourself and you care for your loved ones around. So thank you so much
absolutely.
for joining me in this journey of
Thank you,
spreading.
Sunita. It's my pleasure, and you are doing a great job. Please continue doing so, because this is what people need in today's life. It's very important to highlight a couple of points. So I should say thank you for highlighting everything.
Thank you. Yeah, together we'll make this world beautiful. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Sure. Bye bye.